Hey y'all, John from Second Chance Composting here. How you doing? We got Nick here, my nephew. He's out on the tractor. He's got a load of high carbon material here he's going to bring over to dump in the pile. We're going to mix this pile up. Nick, watch where you're going. You just learn how to drive it. Here we go. Don't worry about that yet. Nick, hang on, stop. Don't touch this until you're there, all right? One thing at a time. He's willing to work. Hang on. I want you to come. Hang on. Just showing him where to dump it. I want you to dump it right there, all right? Don't touch that yet. Go that way. Back up, back up, back up. Turn your wheels that way. Turn the wheel that way. There you go. Right, all right, right there. You know how to do it? He's gonna dump it now. It says, hang on one sec. It says it right there. Up, down, roll, dump, up, down. Okay? He's gonna dump this load of. Here we go. There he goes. There it goes, right there. Yep, that's it.